welcome to another video. Got the boys in the truck.
What are we doing today, Mike?
We just picked up a shitty GS400 and it fucking was a rough ride home.
She's a little rough on the edges.
A little smoky, huh?
A little smoky, a little
suspension. Loud. You guys will see it in a minute. It's not a car that I'm keeping, it's just a seller. I'm getting rid of it for someone.
I think it would be nice to just cut all the springs and make it like a TikTok VIP build.
A VIP build? Do you think so? Just take the suspension out of it?
Or that
the springs completely out? And throw my Euro lines on it?
That would be the car for it, quick.
Straight piped, Euro lined.
I've never seen that color.
That's because it ain't factory. that shit's wrapped. It was half wrapped for a long time, and now I think it's all done. All right, so everyone's down here. We told you we got that GS400, but that thing's just a shitbox. So I'm not really concentrating too much on that. That is out here. Just a junker. It's a good little get around car for somebody. We're gonna sell it cheap. If anybody wants a GS400 that needs a little work, 1,500 bucks, come and get it. It's got a lot of miles on it, but it runs good. Anyways, today, they convinced me to take the Cima out. So we are gonna take this out and give it a shakedown with the new front end.
You got a new front end on it. You got a blow-off valve on it. Never even heard it. Never tested it.
That's true.
And it looks dirty. New brakes.
It's filthy.
So I think, you know, I don't know. A little car wash, a little hand wash.
Maybe give it a little wash.
I think it's time.
But do want to get it out, give it a little shakedown, see how it feels with the front end and with the sway bar that I welded together, and see how it does. So we are gonna move some cars around and take this thing out. So let's do it.
Is this thing on? This thing on?
It did light them up.
It does light them up.
One.
It raised a little.
Damn, this thing does move.
It does pull.
What the fuck?
Yeah, watch.
Why does it go like that? This thing would drift, dude.
You feeling fucking mint.
Yeah, I like this
A low
thing.
car?
I like this thing. It's cool.
It's gotta go up a little bit.
Damn, I got that. Taking the Cima for a little stroll in the park.
The Cima is shimming.
It's rubbing everywhere, but
Yeah, we're a little rubby.
it feels great.
Besides the rub, it don't feel bad. Might have to go up a ½ inch.
No.
We clearanced it a little, $1/4 inch.
If you could get out of the shop lot, it's good. You don't need to raise it.
I don't know if I'm getting back into the shop a lot.
Mike's gonna do some flybys. Look at all these cars. What's he doing? He's all the way down there. Those dogs need to shut up. Oh, the cop.
So we were just out there taking some video. Went for a little ride, and this thing scrapes a good amount, but a lot of it is the bottom shield. We're gonna take that off because it just looks so good at this height, and it rides pretty darn well too. But we're gonna go out and get some more rollers, but the Roscoes came by, so we just came in here for a couple minutes, let it chill, and then we're gonna go back out and take some more once they leave.
Maybe get him to do a burnout.
Yeah.
All right, give me a sec. All right.
That was a good shot. He can make a fire reel. That's all I'm
Oh,
saying. Dude, I
yeah.
got clips.
I'm making one for him too. Pull over. I don't want to walk. Be some characters around here, I'll tell you that. President. We got good clips.
Yeah, we got some good shit.
Good clips.
Nice.
This is the real mobile.
This is a G-mobile. I gotta put the stock blow valve back on.
No, I think you just need to use a real blow-off valve.
It's a real Gretty.
Really?
Yeah. This is gonna be rough getting into the shop.
Angle it, you're going straight on. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we're messing around with the Cima a little bit. I took off the Gretty blow-off valve that's not making any noise for some reason. I don't know what's up with it. And we put the stock one back on, but we put a block-off plate on the bottom so we just get pure compressor surge. So we are about to hear what it sounds like now. We give Ant the camera and give it a fire starter up.
Hopefully the turbo wheel doesn't go out the exhaust.
Yeah, hopefully that ceramic wheel doesn't explode. Let's see what happens. Whoa! So far, so good.
He's sounding good.
Yeah, a little compressor surge.
Like that. I think it's staying like that.
I approve. We'll keep it like that for the time being.
Low boost.
Until we crank her up a little bit.
A little more
Throw
boost.
a steel wheel in there. Maybe we'll even just keep it like that after steel wheel. I mean, on my GTR at 26 pounds, I didn't have no blow-off valves. My Supra, I didn't have no blow-off valves. So, Mr. Shimmy ain't gotta have no blow-off valves either. All right, so our little test went pretty good today. We did get it back on the lift. I went up two turns on the coils. It's still basically the same height, just slightly, and I took the plastic shield off the bottom. So now it won't rub nearly as much, but our test and tune went pretty well today, and that was with 3 people in the car. Now Donald wants to get one of these.
Not this one, but
not this one. No. He wants a Cedric or a Gloria. Glorious Gloria. That's what he's gonna name her. Glorious Gloria.
Mike's is a repeat customer, so he gets good deals on cars.
They do. So whenever these guys need cars, we're gonna order some up.
Dagnall asked him what he's gonna. We gotta get Dagnall.
I told Degnall to buy a fucking van.
Yeah, they're sick.
Yeah, I told him to buy an SMX, a Honda SMX.
Ooh,
Fire. They're
that
straight
would be
fire,
good.
all-wheel drive one.
You're buying it? What do you think? My driveway's 5 miles long? I can't even fit 2 cars in there.
Put it in the backyard on the roof.
You got this.
Listen,
You gotta build a garage first.
listen. What was I gonna say? Dagnall needs a new van.
Yeah, an Odyssey.
So let us know in
Fire
the comments
Odyssey.
below what Dagnall should get for his daily.
SMX, all-wheel drive SMX.
SMX would be
They're
good.
fire. I want one.
Listen, if somebody funds it, I'll drive it.
Mike,
Funds
Dagnall
it.
got
Otherwise,
more
not
money
gonna
than
He's
all
got
of
more
us
money all of us put together.
Not-
That is going to be it, guys. So stay tuned. We're going to be driving the Cima more, getting it all right, and we're going to do something about the wheels. We're going to do 19s on it. I have a set of 19s getting refinished right now, so they should fit a little better. And we won't be as low on 19s either. But yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. What happened?
Plus fell off.
It wasn't like that?
It's loud as fuck.
It just broke?
What?
It just broke?
Over in the bump.
No.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to weld it.
Another night.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right now.
You wanna do it right now?
No. I wanna go get pizza.
Where, Pops?
Nah, Pop's closed at 8:30.
Yeah, they sleep. Not good anyway.
Yeah, it is. Fire.
Hit me tomorrow though. I'll be at my shop.
All right.
Come by. They
All right.
want to see it.
All right, I'll
wanna
come
see
by.
it.
Dagnall! Ozzy's having a concert.